Good morning, my amazing, wonderful YouTube family. Happy freaking New Year, you guys. 2023 is here. And with 2023 coming in, new things are coming. So we have our Copacetic Cutie bag in today. And you guys remember there were some few changes going to be happening over the New Year's. So we're going to get into what we got in our cutie bag for what I got for just $12 a month. And you girls... Alright, my loves, good morning. One of my most favorite eyeshadow makers, Copacetic Cosmetics. You guys know I love their eyeshadows. So far, this is their little kitty cat magnet case. There's all the shadows I have. That's this month's, actually. So cute. There's one of her highlighters, some of her glitters. There's a little candy cane one, yellows. You guys, I love Copacetic Cosmetics eyeshadows. So the changes that were coming was if you were paying $12 a month for her cutie bag, previously you're locked in at that rate. But with the new year, all new subscribers will be coming in at $15 a month. But you guys, she's given us all a $5 credit with every single subscription. So it's literally like $10 for people who are paying $15 a month, and what is $7 for people who are paying $12. What a fantastic, amazing deal. And y'all, I love her eyeshadows. Y'all know I love these shadows so very much. I'm going to go ahead and put a close-up of this one that I used today on my eyes right there and right there for you guys. This shade here is called Decisive. It is a gorgeous hot pink with these little glitter shimmer flakes in it. Now, you guys, I don't have a primer. I don't have concealer. I don't have nothing on my hand. Look at that. Gorgeous. I absolutely love it. So pretty. Very, very pretty. You guys, with the Copacetic Cosmetics Cutie bag, you get 4 items. You always get a single eyeshadow. You get a mystery item. My mystery item is called Jelly Bean Dry Body Oil. And you guys, I've already smelled this stuff, and it smells just like freaking jelly beans. It smells fantastic. I'm going to put it on apparently right over my chin and everywhere else. Y'all, your girl has some problems. I might want to look where I'm spraying it, huh? All right, let's put it all over my hand. Now, dry oils, it feels like a baby oil. And you rub it down. Oh, that just smells so fantastic. Oh, look at that shimmer on my hand. Yeah. It dries down completely dry. There's no greasiness. There's nothing left on afterwards, you guys. Just a beautiful, beautiful shimmer. Now, the other thing that you get is one of her lippies. This is what we got this month. And I'll let your girl... I'm never prepared, you guys. You know I'm not. This is actually called Mercy. It is a beautiful lilac shade lippy. I'll do a swatch for you right over that dry oil. All of her lippies, you guys, does dry down completely matte. Yeah, it doesn't transfer. It doesn't budge. I love her lippies. Glosses with glitter in them, I don't care for too much, but I love her matte lippies. Oh my Lord, look how gorgeous that, just such a lilac-y violet type of purple. Gorgeous. Next thing we got is you'll always get a 5 milliliter bottle of nail polish. She does have a lot of glitter polishes, and you guys, I use this polish in 3 stages for you this time. And I'm going to go ahead and play the little video so you guys can see how I actually apply it. First, look at that constellation it left on that black nail polish. So that's a black base. On my thumb there is 3 coats of just her polish, and that one is a white base. So gorgeous, gorgeous. I really love this black, putting it over the black. It's got kind of like this constellation look over the top of it. And then up close, here is the 3 shades. And then here it is with just a white base underneath. I really, really love it over the black, you guys. Really, really love it. You guys, that's a really short, quick video. Y'all know how much I love my Copacetic Cosmetics eyeshadows. I really, really love them. And I love this look that it created. Oh, just stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Okay, loves, I'm going to go. I'll leave my referral link down in the description for you guys. All right, guys, it's that time again. Is anybody close? Keep me updated. I want to know. I'm so excited, you guys. If you follow me on all my platforms, you've got to be following me on the platforms you get your number from. Let's let that get around to the fall. There it goes. What did we get, you guys? What is it? Oh, we got 071. 071. I'll put a picture right up there for you guys. Keep me updated. Remember that you will get a $5 credit if you sign up with her. I love her. She's very communicative. Her customer service is amazing. So that is all, you guys. And make sure you subscribe. Make sure you're watching for those secret bingo numbers. We don't have a winner yet. We currently have 58 cards in play right now, you guys. I'm so excited. The way you can purchase those cards, extra cards, if you don't already have them, is down below. I have a thanks button. I also leave my Cash App link. I have my PayPal link. I have Buy Me a Coffee down there. All sorts of ways. They're just $1 a card, you guys, and they're still going. And I always keep you updated on all the numbers that's been called so far. All right, loves, if you haven't checked out Copacetic Cosmetics, go check her out. She also has a multitude of other subscriptions, monthly subscriptions available. You cannot go wrong with her eyeshadows, you guys. I absolutely love them. And her matte lippies. All right, loves, I'm going to go. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.